JunyTony.
Huh?
No, Tony! I know you're hungry, but it's not fully cooked yet.
Come on, it should be good enough by now.
It's really dangerous to eat uncooked food in this hot and humid weather. Look!
Hello, have we met before? I'm a Salmonella, don't be afraid, fellas. The queen of food poisoning. Oh, poor thing.
We are the Staphylococci. For food poisoning, we'll drop by. Full toxins, we're so thrilled. It's time to make them ill. No, you never will.
Wash your hands thoroughly. Sizzle, sizzle. Cook your food slowly. Simmer, simmer.
Boil food hot and slowly.
Remember these 3 tips and you'll be safe from bacteria.
I am also in this scenario. I am a vibrio. I love seafood so. Please don't steam them, oh no. Don't sterilize, I can't grow.
We're dangerous on your plate. We're the food bacteria, the great. Let's go make some trouble. My evil domain.
Mean bacteria, don't even think about it.
Wash your hands thoroughly. Sizzle, sizzle. Cook your food slowly. Simmer, simmer. Boil food hot and slowly. Remember these 3 tips and you'll be safe from bacteria. Wash your hands thoroughly. Sizzle, sizzle. Cook your food slowly. Simmer, simmer. Boil food hot and slowly. Let's all remember 3 simple tips for our health.
Oopsie, Salmonella!
Ta-da! Enjoy your meal, Tony.
Wow! Now let me... It's... yummy.
Really? Have as much as you want.
I think I'm full now.
You said you were hungry.
I think my tummy aches a little.
It's simmered for hours. What are you talking about?
To be honest, it tastes so bad.
Huh?